Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we were solving work example 3 and I gave you proof 1 based on similarity triangle. Today I am going to teach you proof 2 based on Pythagoras theorem. But before that, let me recap whatever we did in the proof 1. We saw that the solution we started with join OT. So we have joined OT such that it intersect chord PQ at R. So you can see it is intersecting chord PQ at R. And OT bisects angle OTP. So and OR bisects the chord PQ. So PQ measurement is given as 8 cm. The radius measurement is given as 5 cm. OP is the radius and PQ is the chord. So what happens that if R is the midpoint of PQ, then PR and QR will become equal. It will be equal to PQ by 2 is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4 centimeters. Then OR is perpendicular to PQ, which will take this triangle ORP. So in triangle ORP, angle ORP is equal to 90 degree. So using Pythagoras theorem, OR square will be equal to OP square minus PR square. So that will be equal to 5 square minus 4 square is equal to 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. So OR is equal to root 9 is equal to 3 centimeter. So the solution till here will be the same for proof 2 also. Now let us see what we have to do in proof 2. So we have to suppose. Okay, so what we have to suppose that let TP is equal to X and TR is equal to Y. So this we are going to suppose. Let TP is equal to X and TR is equal to Y. So we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So we are going to take triangle PRT and triangle POT. So these two triangles we are going to take, and for that we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So you can see in triangle PRT, angle PRT is how much? 90 degree. So in triangle PRT, angle PRT is equal to 90 degree. So what did you get if angle PRT is 90 degree? You can use Pythagoras theorem. So what does Pythagoras theorem say is that TP square is equal to, because TP is the hypotenuse, is equal to TR square plus PR square. What is TP square? We have already seen. We have supposed it as X square is equal to. What is TR square? Y square plus. What is PR square given to us? PR square we have found out that PR is equal to 4. So we got it as 4 square. So we will get X square is equal to Y square plus 16. This is your equation number 1 with triangle PRT. Now let us take triangle TPO. So in triangle TPO, angle TPO is equal to 90 degree. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. So what is that? OT square is equal to OP square plus TP square. So what we got it as? OT square is equal to, because that is the hypotenuse, OT square is equal to OP square plus TP square. Okay. Now we'll keep TP square that side and we'll take OP square this side. So what shall we get? TP square is equal to OT square minus OP square. TP is how much according to us? We have supposed over here. So X square is equal to OT square. Now look here. OT, OR is 3 and TR we have supposed it as Y. So OT will become Y plus 3. So we'll get it as Y plus 3 the whole square minus. What is your OP square? It is 5 square. So what we will get? x square is equal to y plus 3 the whole square minus 5 square is how much? 25. So this is your equation number 2. Now what we are going to do? Equation number 1 we got, equation number 2 we got. Now let us first take the equation number 2. So taking equation 2. So what we got? X square is equal to y plus 3 the whole square minus 25. So y plus b the whole square, you expand it in the form of a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So I am going to expand in that way. So x square is equal to a square. In place of a, y will come. So y square plus 2ab. 2 into y into 3. That means 6y. Plus b square. B is 3. 3 square means 9. Minus 25. So what shall I get? X square is equal to y square plus 6y minus plus 9 minus 25. 25 is a bigger number, sign is minus. So if I subtract, I will get minus 16. Okay, now this we will take it as equation number 3. Now we are going to subtract equation 1 from equation 3. So what we are going to do is subtracting equation 1 from equation 3. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 3. So first we will write it down equation 3 and below that we will write it down equation 1. So what will happen? So what we have to do? So left hand side should be subtracted from left hand side and the right hand side should be subtracted from right hand side. So that we will do. What is there in left hand side? Equation number. So first we write it out equation number 3. What is there in equation number 3 right hand side? X square. So x square. From, okay, so equation 3 should come first. From that we are going to subtract equation 1. So what is there in equation 1? X square. So x square minus x square is equal to. Write down what is there in equation 3 first on the right hand side. So y square plus 6y minus 16. From that you have to subtract what is there in the right hand side of your equation. Which equation? Equation number 1. So it is y square plus 16. Now what shall we do? Further, now what happens? Plus x square and minus x square cancel. So here you will get 0 is equal to. Now y square plus 6y minus 16. And what this will become? Minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. So plus y square minus y square cancels. Minus 16 and minus 16. How much it will become? Add and keep minus sign. So you will get 0 is equal to. So what will get? As 6y minus 16. Minus 16 is what? Minus 32. So what shall I do? I will bring minus 32 this side. So 32 is equal to 6y, therefore y is equal to 32 by 6. 32 by 6 means I can cancel. 2 3s are 6, correct. Then 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 6 are 12. So I got it as 16 by 3. I got y value. But we want TP is X. So TP value we want. Now we know what is TP here over you can see. X square is equal to y square plus 16. So I am going to keep the value over in this equation. I am going to substitute the value of y. So what shall I get now? X square is equal to y square plus 16. So x square is equal to y square means what? It is 16 by 3 the whole square plus 16. So x square is equal to. So what shall I get over here now? 16 square I will keep it as it is divided by 9 plus 16. So I can take 16 common over here because why? 16 square is there. So can I take 16 common? 116 I can take common from this. So what shall I get? X square is equal to 16 common 1 by 9 plus 16 by 1. I got it. So now what happens? 9 will take this. So as I had no space over there, I have erased and I am going to continue over here. What we got x square? So what will happen? We'll get x square is equal to 16 in the bracket 16 plus 9 divided by 16 plus 9 divided by 9 we will get. So 16 into 16 plus 9 is 25 divided by 9. What we got? X square we got. Okay. 16 is a perfect square, 25 is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square. We will take x is equal to square root of 16 into 25 by 9. We will get 4 into 5 by 3. We got it 20 by 3. I told you approximately 6.6 centimeters. See, in the first proof also we got the same. In the second proof also we got the same. Now I will explain you what does the proof number 2 we have to do. We are using Pythagoras theorem. So to use Pythagoras theorem, what we need? TP and TR, we suppose it as X and Y. We took first angle PRT. In which triangle PRT? In which angle PRT is 90 degree. So TP square is equal to PR square, PR square. So X square is equal to Y square plus 4 square. So X square is equal to Y square plus 16. Then we went to the another triangle which is TPO. Angle TPO is equal to 90 degree. OT square is equal to OP square plus TP square. So here also TP square is there, so I took it this also TP square. So TP square will go to OT square minus OP square. X square is equal to Y plus 3 the whole square minus 5 square. So X square is equal to Y plus 3 the whole square minus 5 square. So this equation 2 should be solved. So again I took equation number 2 and solved it. X square is equal to expanded in the form of A plus B the whole square. What is A plus B the whole square? A square. In place of A is Y. So Y square, Y square. 2 into A into B, 2 into Y into 3, so it is 6y. 3 square, 9, minus 25. Plus 9 minus 25 is minus 16. So x square is equal to y square plus 6y minus 16. That became your equation number 3. From 3 we have to subtract equation number 1. So left hand side will subtract from left hand side. In equation 3, on left hand side x square is there, so I wrote x square. Minus. In equation 1, on the left hand side x square is there, so I wrote minus x square is equal to. In equation 3, whatever is there in the right hand side, first I will write it down. Y square plus 6y minus 16. Then I have to subtract. Okay, I will put minus sign and I have to take whatever is written in equation number 1. What is written? Y square plus 16 I kept in the bracket because minus sign is there. So when you remove from the bracket, the sign will change. So what I got? 0 is equal to y square plus 6y. Plus 6y minus 16, minus into plus is minus y square, minus into plus is minus 16. Y square cancel. So I got it 6y minus 16 minus 16. What is 6 minus 16 minus 16 is minus 32. So I got 0 is equal to 6y minus 32. So minus 32 I will bring this side. So 32 is equal to 6y. Y is equal to 32 by 6 is equal to 16 by 3. Now I know x square is equal to y square plus 16. In that I will substitute the value of y. So x square is equal to y square plus 16. X square is equal to 16 the whole square plus 16. This is 16 into 16. So 16 I can take out common. So here I took common. So 1 by 9. So if I take LCM, so what shall I get? 16. So x square is equal to 16 into 16 plus 9 by 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. So 16 into 25 by 9. 16 is a perfect square. 25 is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. No need to multiply. You can directly take out the square root. So x is equal to square root of 16 into 25 by 9 is equal to 16 square root is 4. 25 square root is 5. 4 into 5 divided by 9 square root is 3. So 20 by 3 is equal to 6.6. So you got the same answer whatever you got in proof number 1. So this ends our worked example, that is number 3. Now we will go to the exercise. Now we will see the exercise 4.2 given. See the first sum. It is a multiple choice question. What is given? From a point Q, the length of a tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. Radius of circle is, you have to find out the radius of the circle. Means Q is an external point from the center. Q is an external point. From Q, a tangent is drawn to the circle and the center and the external point is joined. the distance of the tangent is given and the distance between the center and the external point is given. So let us take first. So let us draw what he has asked. Let us see. Observe how the diagram should come. So O is the center of the circle and point Q is external. Okay, so this is point Q. Okay, then tangent from point Q is drawn to the circle. So this is a tangent. Let the point of contact be as P. So he tells you to find out what is OP. Okay, so length of the length of the tangent is given to you. How much length of the tangent is given? 24 centimeter. The distance between the center and the external point, it is given 25 centimeter. And I told you the radius and the tangent will always form 90 degree. So you have to use Pythagoras theorem. Before we go to this sum and calculate, one more thing I want to explain. Whenever like this sum is given, there is a short, what you call it as a formula is there. What does the formula says? The radius of the circle, that is the radius is taken as r, small r. The tangent is taken as t, and distance between center and external point. Distance between center and external point is taken as small d. This is r centimeter, t centimeter and d centimeter. So remember that. This is a very easy formula. The radius of the circle is given as small r. The tangent, that is the length of the tangent is taken as small t. The distance between center and external point is taken as a small d. Using Pythagoras theorem, what you can say that? What you can say? D square is equal to r square plus t square or t square plus r square. So you will get the equation as what? D square is equal to r square plus t square. So let us see what is given over here. Is the radius of the circle is given? No, you have to find out. So that is a question mark. Is the length of the tangent is given? Yes. Length of the tangent is given how much? 24 centimeters. Is the distance d is given? Yes. It is given how much? 25 centimeters. So here what happens that taking t is equal to 24 centimeter, d is equal to 25 centimeter. Substituting it in above equation, what shall you get? So d square, that is given 25 the whole square is equal to r square, we have to find out. T square, 24 the whole square. So came to know. So what will be r square is equal to? R square is equal to 25 square minus 24 square. 25 square is very easy to find out. I will show you how to find out the 25 square. So 25 into 25 using the Vedic system, Vedic maths. What the Vedic maths says, multiply 5 into 5 as 25, then add 1 to the tens place in the first number. 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 3s are 6, so easily you got it as how much? 625. So it is equal to 625. 24 square, so 24 into 24. 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 2s are 8 and 1, 9. Again, 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, 6, then 7, 5. 5. You got it as minus 576. Now next what we have to do, we have to subtract. So let us see what is the subtraction. So what we have to subtract from 625, we have to subtract 576. So it will become 11, this will become 1. So what it will become? From 1, 7 does not go. So borrow from 6, this will become 5, it will become 11. 11 minus 7 is 4, 5 minus 5 is 0. So you got it as 49. R square is 49. You have to find out what is R. R is the square root of 49. What is square root of 49? 7 centimeter. So you got the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. So I told you, remember this formula. Radius, tangent and distance are connected with each other according to the Pythagoras theorem. So you can say that d square is equal to r square plus t square. What is d? Small d represents distance between center and external point. What does r represents? The radius of the circle. What does t represents? The tangent of the circle. So we took the same formula, that is d square is equal to r square plus t square. T value is given, D value is given. I have to find out R. So I have taking T is equal to 24 centimeter, D is equal to 25 centimeter, substituting it in above equation. 25 square is equal to R square plus 24 square. So R square I have to find out. So I will bring 24 square on the other side. It will become minus. So R square is equal to 25 square minus 24 square. What is 25 square? 625. What is 24 square? 576. 625 minus 576 is 49. R square is equal to 49. So R is equal to root of 49. So R is equal to 7 centimeter. So remember this formula. D square is equal to R square plus T square. Whenever the sums like this is given, you have to use this formula only. Let us see what is the second sum given in exercise 4.2. It is also an MCQ question. In figure, this is the figure given. If TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle at O, so that angle POQ is equal to 110 degree, then angle PTQ is equal to, option is equal to 60, 70, 80, 90. So let us see the diagram. O is the center of the circle, TP and TQ are the tangents, and OP and OQ are the radius at the point of contact P and Q. Yesterday when I was explaining that, I explained you that whenever like this sum comes, I told you that this you take it as quadrilateral. So sum of all the four angles should be how much? 360 degree. OP is perpendicular to PT, so this angle is 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree because radius and tangent. So angle P plus angle Q will get 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. So if angle P plus angle Q is 180 degree, then naturally how much is remaining from 360? 180 is subtracted, you will get 180. Means angle POQ plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. Very important, this you have to remember. So what we are going to write it down? Angle POQ plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. So what is angle POQ given? 10 degree plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. So what is angle PTQ is equal to? Therefore angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree minus 110. So from 180, 110 goes, means it is 70 degree. So answer is 70 degree. That is option B. So came to know what it is. So what I told you when I in circle 4 I had sent you, in that I had said that in a circle with center O, two tangents are from an external point touches the point of contact, then it creates a quadrilateral. Sum of all the angles, that is angle P plus angle T plus angle Q plus angle O is equal to 360 degree. Now OP and PT, OP is the radius and PT is the tangent. So angle OPT is 90 degree. Similarly OQ is the radius and TQ is the tangent. So angle OQT is also 90 degree. So angle P plus angle Q will become 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Which two angles are left out? Angle O and angle T. Sum of all the angles is 180. So if I subtract the sum of angle P and angle Q from 360 degree, so 360 minus 180 I got it as 180 degree, means angle O plus angle T is 180 degree. That means angle POQ plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. So POQ value already we know how much it is given, 110. Substitute its value. So 110 plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle PTQ is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. So came to know how to do this sum. So this is what the second sum in exercise 4.2. Now we'll see the third sum in exercise 4.2. What the third sum is given? The tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degree. Then angle POA is equal to either 50, 60, 70 or 80 degree. Option is given. So let us see here. PA. So P is an external point. PA and PB are the two tangents at point of contact A and B. O is the center of the circle. And what he has given, inclined, so you can see this is inclination. An angle made by the tangents joining an external point P is given as how much? It is 80 degree. Find out what is the measurement of angle POA. When I was explaining the theorem number 4.2 in the note, I told you that OP, whatever the line, that is the distance between center and external point, OP, I told you it will bisect the angle O also and it will bisect the angle P also. So if we know how much is whole angle O, then part of angle O can be found out, because half of the angle AOB will become angle POA. Okay, so we want to find out what is angle AOB. Just now in the previous sum only I told you. What I told you, that angle A plus angle B is 90, angle A plus angle B, angle A is 90, angle B is 90, angle A plus angle B is 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. That means angle O plus angle P will be also 180, because sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360. PAOB, consider it as what? Quadrilateral. So what we can say, that angle AOB plus angle APB. So angle AOB plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. What is angle APB given? So angle AOB plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100 degree. You don't want angle AOB, you want angle AOP. So angle AOP is equal to half of angle AOB. Reason, OP is angle bisector of angle AOB. So therefore angle, what you are AOP, or here what he has asked, angle POA. AOP or POA is one and the same, will be, therefore angle POA will be equal to 100 degree divided by 2. So you got it as 50 degree. So option A is the answer, which is 50 degree. So once again I'll explain you over here. Here what is asked, that you have to find out what is angle AOP or POA. It is one and the same. In a note when I was explaining, after explaining theorem 4.2, I told you that. What I told you, OP is an angle bisector, which it will bisect angle O also into equal parts and angle P also into equal parts. So if you get angle O, then half of angle O will become angle POA. So first let us find out what is angle AOB. We know in the previous MCQ only we took that angle AOB plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle AOB, APB value is given plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to what you have to find out? It is an OP. OP is angle bisector, means angle AOP is equal to angle AOB by 2, half of angle AOB, because OP is angle bisector of angle AOB. So angle POA is equal to 100 by 2 is equal to 50 degree. So you got the answer 50 degree, which is option A. Now let us see sum number 4 in exercise 4.2. What does it say? Prove that the tangent drawn at the ends of a diameter are parallel. So I have drawn a circle with center O, diameter. What did I say regarding the diameter? It is longest chord and it passes through the center. So let us see. So AB is the diameter. Okay. At the ends means at A is the end point and B is the end point of the diameter. There you have to draw tangent. So one tangent and two tangent. Let this tangent be as P Q. Let this tangent be as R S. So A and B are the end points of the diameter. To the end points, the tangents are drawn, which are the PQ and RS, where A is the point of contact and B is the point of contact. A is the point of contact for tangent PQ and B is the point of contact for tangent RS. What you have to prove that PQ is parallel to RS. So PQ is parallel to RS. So what is given over here? O is the center of the circle. Then, which is the diameter? AB is the diameter. Okay. Which are the tangents? PQ and RS are the tangents at end points of diameter A and B respectively. So came to know? So O is the center of the circle is given, AB is the tangent, PQ and RS are the tangents. Where they are tangents? At the end points of the diameter A and B respectively. Now to prove, what you have to prove? The tangents are parallel. That is PQ is parallel to RS. That is what you have to prove. Proof. Okay. Now we know that OA is the radius and PQ is the tangent. So angle OAP and angle OAQ will become what it will become? 90 degree, because OQ is perpendicular to PQ. That we know, radius and the tangent are perpendicular. OA perpendicular to PQ. Reason is radius and tangent are perpendicular. This is the reason. Therefore, angle OAP is equal to angle OQ. Angle OAQ is equal to 90 degrees here. OA is the radius, PQ is the tangent. They are perpendicular, means this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. OAP and OAQ both are 90 degree. The reason is radius and tangent are perpendicular. In the same way, similarly we can write angle OBR is equal to angle OBS is equal to 90 degree. Reason, radius and tangent are perpendicular. So, similarly, angle OBR is equal to angle OBS is equal to 90 degree. Reason is OB is the radius and RS is the tangent. Radius and tangent are perpendicular, same reason. Now look here. So this also became 90 degree and this also became 90 degree. In 8th standard you had studied about parallel lines. What is the theorem on parallel lines? Says that if two parallel lines are drawn and a transversal line cuts, then the corresponding angles are equal and the alternate angles are equal. There are interior alternate angles and exterior alternate angles. Okay. Converse of this parallel line theorem is there. What is the converse of the parallel line theorem? Says if two lines are intersected by a transversal, the equal angles are corresponding or the equal angles are alternate angles, then the two lines are parallel. So that converse of parallel line theorem we are going to use over here. You can see over here angle PAB, okay, is equal to angle ABS is equal to how much it is? 90 degree. ABS means OBS. It is one and the same. So what you can say? Angle PAB is equal to angle ABS is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, one more pair is there. Angle QAB. Angle QAB is equal to angle ABR is equal to 90 degree. But these pairs of angles are alternate angles. But these pairs of angles are alternate angles. Therefore, PQ parallel to RS, what? Converse of parallel line theorem. Converse of parallel line theorem. So now once again you pay attention here. What is given over here? That is AB is the diameter, A is the end point of the, A and B are the end points of the diameter. To A you have to draw one tangent and to B you have to draw one tangent. So O is the center of the circle, correct. AB is the diameter, correct. PQ is drawn tangent at the end point of A. RS is drawn tangent at the end point of B. So PQ and RS are the two tangents. We have to prove that they are parallel. Now we know that OA is perpendicular to PQ. So angle OAP and angle OAQ will become 90 degree due to radius and tangent are perpendicular. Similarly, we can say that angle OBR and angle OBS is also 90 degree because same reason, radius and tangent are perpendicular. Now let us see here regarding the parallel line theorem. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal line, corresponding angles become equal and alternate angles become equal. Converse of the parallel line theorem, what does it say? If two lines are cut by a transversal line, if the angles equal are corresponding angles, or if the angles equal are alternate angles, then the two lines are parallel to each other. That converse of parallel line theorem we are going to take. Ma'am, which angles are over here equal? You can see PAB and ABS. I told you the Z formation. So angle PAB is 90 degree and angle ABS is 90 degree. So angle PAB is equal to angle ABS is equal to 90 degree. It is one pair of what you call it as alternate angle. Another alternate angle QAB and ABR, Z formation. It is also a what you call alternate angles, they are equal. But these pairs of angles are alternate angles. Therefore, PQ is parallel to RS using converse of parallel line theorem. So you came down to solve this sum number 4. So you are using the theorem, that is which theorem? Converse of parallel line theorem. But before that you are using which theorem? Theorem based on tangent and the radius. They are perpendicular to each other. So this is how we have to solve problem number 4. Let us see problem number 5 in exercise 4.2. Prove that the perpendicular at point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. So I have drawn over here a circle with center O. So O is the center of the circle. Then PT is the tangent where P is the point of contact. So what is the solution we are going to write down? This is nothing but it is a statement of your theorem 4.1. What the 4.1 says that the tangent drawn to a circle and radius joined to the point of contact of the tangent, they become perpendicular to each other. And a radius is drawn from the center, means that is the perpendicular line passes through the center. That is what we have to see in theorem 4.1. We saw the converse of the theorem 4.1 it is. So what does it say in solution? What we write it down? O is the center of the circle. Very easy solution. O is the center of the circle. PT is the tangent at P. So P is point of contact. So P is a point of contact. From that, PT is the tangent. Okay. In figure, OP is the radius. In the figure, I'll just go. OP is the radius, which means the radius is perpendicular to the tangent and passes through the center. Very important. So see what is that? O is the center of the circle, PT is the tangent at P. So P is point of contact. In the figure, OP is the radius, which means OP radius is perpendicular to the tangent, and OP you can see O. So that is this perpendicular line is passing through the center. That is what he wanted to prove. This is the solution for your problem number 5. It is nothing but just the statement of your theorem 4.1. So once again I am explaining. O is the center of the circle given to us. PT we have taken the tangent, and but where it is at P. So P is the point of contact. In figure, OP is the radius we can see. How is this radius here? You can see what type of angle it is. 90 degree. So radius is perpendicular to the tangent, and you can see the radius is arising from the center, because the radius is passing through the center. So that perpendicular line always passes through the center if you draw to a tangent. That is what we have proved over here, and that is what we have shown over here. This is your problem number 5. Now let us go to the problem number 6. What is given in the problem number 6? The length of a tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find radius of the circle. So length of a tangent is 5 cm, and what it is? the distance between the center and the circle is given 4 centimeter. You have to find out what is the radius. So what is given? Point A is given outside the circle. So let us take point A outside the circle. So this is point A, and from there point A at a distance, the length of a tangent from a point A at a distance. So a tangent is drawn from point A to the circle. So this is a tangent. This is a point of contact. Let us give this point of contact as B, and we will join OB, and we will show over here that I will explain what it is. So what is here? The length of a tangent from point A at a distance 5 centimeter from the center of the circle. So this is the center of the circle and this is point A. And so OA is the distance between the center and external point. AB is the tangent and OB is the radius. So OA is given as 5 centimeter and AB is given as 4 centimeter. You have to find out what is the radius. Same problem in MCQ in exercise 4.2. Second problem I told you that take radius as R, tangent as T, and distance between the center and the external point as D. So what is given over here? First let us write it down. So given is, what is given? AB is a tangent. Therefore, T is equal to, it is given as 4 centimeter. Okay. Then, OA is distance between center and external point. Therefore, OA is equal to, is given how much? 5 centimeter. Then OB is the radius of the circle. Therefore OB we don't know, you have to find out. You put it as OB is equal to how much. Now I told you that OB is, we don't know it is how much. Let us take it as it is R because it is the radius of the circle. So what we will get? What I told you that the OA is the distance, T is the tangent, and R is the radius. So what we can write it down that D square is equal to R square plus T square. So that we are going to write it down. So D square is equal to R square plus T square. So D value we know, then T value we know, we have to find out what is R. So let us substitute the value of D. D is how much? 5 square is equal to R, we have to find out R square plus T is how much? 4 square. So 25 is equal to R square plus 16. So R square is equal to 25 minus 16. R square is equal to 9. Therefore R is equal to square root of 9. Therefore R is equal to 3 centimeter. So the radius is 3 centimeter. So once again let us see. I told you that there is a relationship between D, that is the distance between center and external point. R means the radius of the circle and T means the length of the tangent. So here AB is a tangent which we have taken as T. It is given 4 centimeter. OA is the distance between center and external point which is D, which is given 5 centimeter. OB is the radius of the circle. So we will take it OB is equal to R. Take the formula. D square is equal to R square plus T square. D value is how much? 5. We know over here. So 5 square is equal to, the radius square to find out, r square will remain as it is, plus T is what? Length of the tangent, 4 centimeter plus 4 square. So 25 is equal to r square plus 16. So 16 will come this side. So r square is equal to 25 minus 16. R square is equal to 9. Therefore r is equal to square root of 9. Therefore r is equal to 3 centimeter. So the length of the radius or the measurement of the radius, we got it as 3 centimeter. So you came to know. So this equation is very important. That is d square, the distance between center and external point, r the radius, and t the length of the tangent. So d square is equal to r square plus t square. So this is how we have to solve problem number 6.